Good morning. Sticker paper unboxing. So we purchased some stickers paper so that we can produce some stickers at home. We have custom apparels and stationery websites, and we use Printful to print on demand. But we are thinking about trying to see what product we can produce in-house or source a part of the production and finish it in-house. So we ordered some sticker papers, and let's open that. So if you have so we order from online labels, and probably open it down. And we might go sell some of the papers online at liberman.com. So for small projects that do not require a lot of that does not require to stock up on hundreds of papers, sticker papers, you could order from liberman.com. If you are trying to try few type before you commit to stock up on a specific type for any project you have or for your own business product, you could try liberman.com as well. But I believe there will be more websites that will sell the paper, but I like to try online labels.com. And we order glossy sticker paper and matte as well. So we have for laser printer and inkjet, that will be the matte one, and we order glossy for laser printer, and we order glossy for inkjet only as well. And the matte is the one that is laser printer and inkjet. And we have the glossy for laser printer and the glossy for inkjet, and the matte is a removable sticker paper. So if I recall correctly, so white glossy for laser is not going to be removable, and we have white glossy for inkjet, it's not going to be removable either, and we have removable white matte, and they are all 8.5 by 11 inches, so regular paper size. And we'll see how that will, the quality will be and the products that we wanted to make, what printer we will be using. So without being sure of it, I just ordered those 3 types to start, and I might offer a few sheets on liberoutlets.com. So because they are going to be used to make stickers, they are raw materials. At least that's the way I wanted to consider them. So when you are purchasing products for your business, you may want to categorize your products or your materials, whether they are raw materials or supplies. So it depends on what you are going to do with the item. So it could be a supply for a business, and it could be a raw material for another. So in our case, I'm going to consider that as a raw material to see if I'll be able to track it as a raw material to start. And then when I use it to make a product, I'll take it out on the inventory spreadsheets and enter the finished product in inventory. And when I sell some, I'll take it out of inventory and enter as a resold product as well. So it's good to track your products as you sell them or make finished products out of them, so that at the end of the year, you'll have your inventory up to date for tax purposes. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos, and we thank you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your comment as well. I'm Afia, the original Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, and ninassoap.com, our blog. And we do have our online stores, including ninassoap.com for our natural products, liberlabel.com for our custom apparels and stationery, liberoutlets.com for our sold products, resell products, and liberdownload.com for digital products. There is something I like to say about the papers. For instance, if you purchase sticker papers to make labels for your products, you could easily categorize that as a supply. So yeah, just don't, depend on what you are going to use your purchase item for, the category will be different. So track your purchases very well so that you don't get confused at the end of the year or during that season. Thank you so much for your time.